Have you ever noticed how peaceful you feel after tending to your garden, even for just a few minutes? What if those 15 minutes could actually add years to your life? Today, you'll discover how gardening after 60 isn't just a hobby. It's one of the simplest and most powerful ways to strengthen your body, calm your mind, and boost longevity, all without stepping into a gym. I'm not here to sell you supplements or miracle pills. Let's begin with what happens when you spend 15 minutes gardening. You might not realize it, but every motion, digging, planting, watering, trimming, gently activates multiple muscle groups. Your legs, arms, core, and shoulders work together, helping you stay mobile and strong. Unlike intense gym workouts, gardening provides low-impact resistance, perfect for people over 60 who want to protect their joints. A study from Blue Zones, regions known for exceptional longevity, found that nearly all centenarians garden regularly. The combination of gentle activity, sunlight, and emotional connection to nature seems to be a formula for long, healthy living. Here's the science. Just 15 minutes of gardening can increase your heart rate, improving circulation and oxygen flow. Over time, this strengthens your cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, and improves cholesterol balance. But that's not all. Gardening reduces stress hormone levels like cortisol. When cortisol drops, memory and focus improve. That's why many seniors say they feel mentally sharper after time in the garden. It's not imagination, it's biology. Sunlight exposure during morning gardening sessions also helps your body produce vitamin D, crucial for bone health and immune strength, especially after 60 when natural production declines. If you've been worried about losing muscle mass, which naturally declines after age 40, gardening can help preserve it. When you kneel, squat, reach, and carry small tools or watering cans, you're performing natural strength training movements. These actions engage stabilizer muscles that often go unused in daily life, improving balance and coordination. And the best part? You're not forcing yourself through repetitive exercises. You're moving with purpose, nurturing life, and staying active in a way that feels meaningful. Beyond physical health, gardening is deeply therapeutic. The soil under your hands, the scent of flowers, and the rhythm of watering create a meditative state that lowers anxiety and lifts mood. Researchers call this horticultural therapy. In nursing homes and rehabilitation centers, it's used to help seniors regain motivation, reduce depression, and reconnect with the present moment. Gardening helps you feel needed. You're nurturing something that depends on you. That sense of purpose is vital for healthy aging and emotional balance. Spending time outdoors aligns your body's natural circadian rhythm, helping you sleep better at night. Even 15 minutes in morning sunlight helps regulate melatonin, the sleep hormone. That's why many older adults who garden regularly report fewer sleep problems. At the same time, contact with soil exposes you to beneficial microorganisms, yes, the good bacteria, that strengthen your immune system. Scientists call this the old friends hypothesis. Humans evolved with nature's microbes, and reconnecting with them helps reduce inflammation and boost immunity. Let's pause for a story. A 68-year-old retired teacher named Mr. Mehta from Pune once said, "After my wife passed, I didn't know how to fill my days. I started watering a few plants on my balcony. That small habit became my therapy." Within 6 months, his blood pressure dropped, he lost 4 kilos, and he started sleeping better. But more importantly, he found peace and purpose again. Mr. Mehta's story isn't unique. Across the world, many seniors rediscover joy through gardening, because it's not just about growing plants, it's about growing yourself. So if you've ever felt stuck, lonely, or tired after 60, Maybe it's time to step outside, touch the soil, and start small. You don't need a big yard. Even a few pots on your balcony can make a difference. Let's recap the powerful benefits of just 15 minutes of gardening daily after 60. 1. Stronger body. Keeps muscles, joints, and bones active and flexible. 2. Healthier heart. Improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and reduces heart disease risk. 3. Sharper mind. Boosts memory, focus, and mood by reducing stress hormones. 4. Better immunity. Exposure to natural microbes strengthens the immune system. 5. Deeper sleep. Morning sunlight balances your internal clock and improves sleep quality. 6. Emotional strength. Provides peace, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment. Here's a simple daily routine you can start with. Step into your garden or balcony in the morning. Spend 15 minutes watering, pruning, or tending plants. Focus on your breathing and enjoy the sunlight. Over time, increase your gardening time as you enjoy it. Track how your mood and energy change. You'll feel the difference. If this inspired you to reconnect with nature, remember, your health isn't lost with age. It's renewed with action. Share this video with someone who loves gardening or needs motivation to start. And if you're new here, subscribe to Elderly Care for more senior health tips, natural remedies, and longevity routines. Join us to stay strong, active, and independent, because every day after 60 can be your healthiest chapter yet. This channel empowers seniors and families with healthy aging habits, senior health tips, nutrition for senior and positive living.